Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to summarize a content of an email on your OnePlus tablet or OnePlus phone. To summarize email content using AI summary, you'll need to have a smart bar enabled. If you don't have it, I'll show you later how to do it, but here you can see I have this little bar on the side of the screen. Once I swipe towards the center, I can click on AI summary. Now you can see it starts reading the email, then generating basically the summary. You can copy, share it, save it to notes, to whatever you like, and that's basically it. If you want to enable that feature, go to the settings, accessibility and convenience, smart sidebar. Make sure smart sidebar is enabled, as well as smart functions. They also need to be enabled, and then you'll have this bar somewhere on the screen and you'll be able to slide it towards the center. And if you're within Gmail, you'll have AI summary button. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.